Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we'll be continuing our review series by using the Instant Ace Plus blender to make vegetable soup. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 cup of vegetable broth, 2 cups of frozen mixed vegetables, 1 drained 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, a tablespoon of cornstarch, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of onion powder, a half teaspoon of dried basil, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of oregano. We'll start by draining our can of diced tomatoes. This is because there is a 6-cup limit on the Instant Ace Plus blender, and we need room for the broth and the mixed vegetables. We'll start by adding our can of diced tomatoes, can of tomato paste, cornstarch, garlic, oregano, black pepper, dried basil, salt, and onion powder. Do not be alarmed if the Instant Ace Plus blender does not appear to be on. This is a safety feature. It will turn on when the lid is attached. We'll then use the default pulse setting for 40 seconds. A series of 10 beeps notifies you that the selected program has ended. Now that we've pulsed our diced tomatoes and spices, we'll open the blender and add our 2 cups of mixed vegetables and 1 cup of vegetable broth. It's important not to overfill the Instant Ace Plus blender, or your soup will not come up to temperature. We'll replace the lid, then we'll hit the soup button once for the first soup setting for chunky soup. The default temperature setting for the first soup setting is 212 degrees. This is necessary because cornstarch does not activate until 203 degrees Fahrenheit. Once we've hit the button for the soup 1 setting, we'll hit start. The Instant Ace Plus blender will begin heating, and will count down once it has reached temperature. Once the program has finished running, the Instant Ace Plus blender will sound 10 chimes and say the word end. It will also automatically flip over to keep warm. The soup is now mostly done. We'll remove the lid and give it a final stir to mix in any foam that may have formed on top before serving. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.